Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up gift cards in Shopify. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create attractive, functional gift card products that can boost your store's sales and give your customers an exciting new way to share your brand with others. Whether you're launching your first gift card or just looking to refresh your shop, this guide will help you get it done right. Let's jump in. We'll start from the Shopify Admin dashboard, the home base for managing your store. First, navigate to the Products section. You'll find this on the left-hand sidebar. From here, look for the Gift Cards option. This is a unique section dedicated specifically to gift card products. Separate from your usual inventory, it's important to use this area because gift cards work a little differently than ordinary products. They're designed to be easily redeemable and trackable, so setting them up here ensures everything runs smoothly for you and your customers. Once you're in the gift card section, you'll see a button labeled Add Gift Card Product. Go ahead and click that. This opens up a new product creation page, but specifically tailored for gift cards. Here's where the fun begins. You get to decide the look and feel of your gift card, just like any other product. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a title for your gift card. This will usually be something like $25 gift card or just shop name gift card. Try to keep it clear and straightforward so customers instantly recognize what they're buying. If you want, you can make it seasonal or theme it for special occasions. For example, birthday gift card or holiday gift card. Giving your gift card an inviting name can help entice customers to pick one up as a perfect present. Next up is the description. Now, Shopify has a convenient AI-powered tool for generating descriptions. If writing product copy feels daunting or you just want something quick, click Generate with AI. You can modify the generated text to better match your brand's voice or add specific details, but don't be afraid to use this as a starting point. Remember, a helpful gift card description lets customers know how the gift card works, where it can be redeemed, and maybe even gives ideas for fun ways to use it. For example, share the gift of choice. This card can be spent on any product in our store, online or in person. Adding an image is the next step. Upload a picture that clearly represents your gift card. It could be a sleek graphic with your store logo, a festive illustration, or anything that fits the vibe you want to convey. A good image makes the card feel more special and gift-worthy, so take a moment to choose one that looks appealing. Even a simple, clean design works beautifully. Now it's time to set up the denominations. This step is key. Denominations are the value amounts your gift card can be purchased for. You might offer $25, $50, $100, or whatever fits your audience best. You can select from preset denominations or add custom ones that suit your customers' needs. Offering a range of values lets people buy gift cards for birthdays, holidays, or just to say thank you, anywhere from a small gesture to a generous treat. Once everything looks good, title, description, image, and denominations, click Save Gift Card Product. Shopify will create your new gift card entry and make it available in your store. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to process. Your store is just getting everything set up behind the scenes. After saving, it's a good idea to preview your gift card's product page to see how it looks to customers. Just click the Preview button, double-check for any typos, make sure the image loads correctly, and be sure the denominations show up as options. If anything needs tweaking, you can always edit it right away. And that's it. Your gift card is now live and ready for customers to use. Setting up gift cards is one of the simplest ways to increase sales and encourage repeat visits to your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own gift card setup tips. Subscribe for more easy-to-follow Shopify tutorials and e-commerce advice. Thanks for watching.